Good morning, everyone. It's a privilege to be here today to discuss a subject of immense importance and potential, Bitcoin. Over the past few years, Bitcoin has transitioned from being a niche digital currency to becoming a cornerstone of digital capital. Today, I want to share insights into why Bitcoin is more than just a speculative asset and how it can fundamentally change the way we view and utilize capital. At MicroStrategy, we have adopted a robust strategy centered around Bitcoin acquisition, which has yielded significant results. I hope to elucidate why we believe this approach is not only prudent, but also transformative for the future of finance and investment. Bitcoin, in its essence, represents a revolutionary shift in how we perceive and handle value. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is decentralized, immune to governmental manipulations, and offers a unique proposition as digital capital. This digital nature allows Bitcoin to transcend borders and function as a global asset, providing stability and security that traditional currencies sometimes fail to deliver. At MicroStrategy, we recognized these attributes early on and embarked on a journey to incorporate Bitcoin into our corporate strategy. Our continuous acquisition of Bitcoin underscores our belief in its long-term value and potential to serve as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. To understand the potential of Bitcoin, consider the analogy of real estate development, specifically in a high-demand location like New York City. Just as real estate developers continuously acquire valuable land and build upon it, we at MicroStrategy view Bitcoin acquisition similarly. In New York City, when developers can't expand horizontally due to space constraints, they build vertically, enhancing the value of the land they already own. This approach is driven by the understanding that prime real estate in a location like Manhattan will only appreciate over time. Similarly, Bitcoin, with its fixed supply and increasing demand, represents digital real estate. By acquiring Bitcoin, we are effectively securing digital land in a space where value is set to increase exponentially. This strategic acquisition and accumulation are not only about present value, but about the immense future potential. Current market dynamics. The dynamics of the Bitcoin market have evolved considerably, with a notable increase in institutional adoption and investment. Recently, companies like Block have announced regular Bitcoin purchases, signaling a growing recognition of Bitcoin's value proposition. Additionally, Bitcoin miners, who traditionally sold their mined Bitcoin to cover operational costs, are now holding onto a larger portion of their mined coins. This shift indicates a belief in Bitcoin's long-term appreciation. Furthermore, the competition among Bitcoin ETFs is intensifying, with 22 spot ETFs now vying for market share. This competition drives more aggressive Bitcoin accumulation strategies, as each entity aims to capitalize on Bitcoin's appreciating value. These market dynamics reflect a broader acceptance and integration of Bitcoin into mainstream financial strategies, highlighting its growing importance as a digital asset. Investment strategy. At MicroStrategy, our investment strategy revolves around a multifaceted approach to Bitcoin acquisition. This includes utilizing organic cash flows, issuing debt, particularly convertible debt, and leveraging equity. Our goal is to maximize our Bitcoin holdings while maintaining financial stability and flexibility. By issuing convertible debt, we can secure funds at favorable terms and convert them into equity when advantageous. This method allows us to capitalize on Bitcoin's growth potential without over-leveraging our balance sheet. Our long-term vision is to hold and accumulate Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, similar to how companies traditionally hold cash reserves. However, unlike cash, Bitcoin offers significant appreciation potential, making it a superior store of value in the long run. Archimedes famously said, "Give me a lever long enough and a place to stand, and I can move the world." In the context of digital finance, Bitcoin is that lever. Its fixed supply and increasing demand make it an incredibly powerful asset. As more individuals, institutions, and even governments recognize its value, Bitcoin's influence and price will continue to grow. This scarcity, combined with its decentralized nature, ensures that Bitcoin remains a robust store of value and a hedge against economic uncertainties. Just as Archimedes needed a fulcrum to apply his lever, the modern economy needs a stable and appreciating asset to leverage for growth and security. Bitcoin, with its unique properties, provides that critical fulcrum enabling individuals and institutions to achieve financial stability and growth. One of the significant challenges in the widespread adoption of Bitcoin is the need for education. Many people, including influential investors and policymakers, lack a deep understanding of Bitcoin's potential and functionality. Historically, advocates for Bitcoin have often been confrontational, which has created unnecessary resistance and misunderstandings. To overcome this, we need to present Bitcoin as a universal good, akin to technological advancements like the internet or digital communication. These technologies have universally improved lives without the ideological baggage. Similarly, Bitcoin should be viewed as a technological advancement in finance, offering unparalleled benefits. By shifting the narrative from a confrontational stance to one of constructive advocacy, we can help more people understand and embrace Bitcoin's potential. Investing in Bitcoin is much like investing in Manhattan real estate decades ago. Manhattan, with its strategic location and limited space, has always been a valuable asset. Those who invested in Manhattan real estate early on have seen substantial returns over time. The same principle applies to Bitcoin. Its fixed supply and increasing global demand make it a prime digital asset. By holding on to Bitcoin, investors can benefit from its long-term appreciation, much like how early Manhattan real estate investors reaped the benefits of their foresight. The key is recognizing Bitcoin's potential as a digital asset class and understanding that its value will continue to grow as more people and institutions adopt it. Future prospects. The future of Bitcoin lies in global adoption and education. As more people become aware of Bitcoin's benefits, its acceptance and integration into various financial systems will increase. Educational efforts, such as speaking engagements and online content, play a crucial role in this process. Each talk, article, or interview helps demystify Bitcoin and showcases its potential as digital capital. For instance, my conversations and presentations reach millions of people, creating a residual educational impact. By continuously educating and advocating for Bitcoin, we can facilitate its adoption on a global scale, ensuring that more individuals and institutions understand and benefit from its unique properties. Bitcoin offers distinct advantages for different stakeholders. For countries, it can provide economic stability and a hedge against inflation. Banks can integrate Bitcoin into their systems to offer new financial products and services. Companies can use Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset, leveraging its appreciating value to strengthen their balance sheets. Individuals too can benefit from holding Bitcoin as a store of value and a means of transferring wealth securely. By presenting Bitcoin as a universal solution for digital property and capital, we can highlight its benefits across various sectors and encourage broader adoption. Final thoughts. In conclusion, Bitcoin represents a groundbreaking opportunity as digital capital. Its potential to improve lives and economies is immense. By understanding and embracing Bitcoin as digital property, we can unlock new avenues for growth, stability, and financial innovation. At MicroStrategy, we remain committed to this vision, continuously acquiring Bitcoin and advocating for its widespread adoption. Our strategy has not only yielded significant returns, but also demonstrated Bitcoin's viability as a strategic asset. I am optimistic about Bitcoin's future and its role in reshaping the financial landscape. Thank you for your time and attention. I appreciate the opportunity to share my thoughts on Bitcoin and its potential. I am happy to answer any questions and engage in further discussion about this transformative asset. This expanded script provides a comprehensive overview of Bitcoin's potential, drawing parallels with real estate development, discussing current market dynamics, and outlining a strategic approach to Bitcoin investment. The script emphasizes the importance of education and advocacy, highlighting Bitcoin's benefits for various stakeholders and projecting a positive outlook on its future.